What's up, guys? I'm Ben Emmanuel II, and I'm excited to share with you 5 training tips to build muscle. These tips are things that I've learned and implemented over my 12 years as a fitness professional. Tip number 1, total body workout. All right, so this means that when you go do your workout, that you are gonna hit every muscle of the body. You're gonna do total body. You're gonna do legs, shoulders, chest, back, bicep, triceps, all in one workout. Now, the key to this is doing this type of workout 2 to 3 times a week. Tip number 2, time under tension. Here's 2 ways that you can create more time under tension during your workout or during your exercises is what we call slow negatives, okay? You have 3 parts to a lift. You have the concentric part, which is when the muscle is, for example, if I'm doing a curl, that's the contraction of the muscle, okay? The eccentric portion is the lengthening of the muscle, okay? Now it's stretched and relaxed, okay? And then there's also an isometric hold. So that's just pausing and stopping, okay? And just holding right there. If there was a weight in my hand, I would have to use force to resist it, okay? Otherwise it would just drop. So you can have an isometric hold, all right? So we're gonna take 2 things here, okay? We're gonna go slow on the negative down, okay? We're gonna pause and we're gonna bring it back. That creates more time under tension, which will help you increase your strength and help build muscle. Tip number 3, intensity, okay? Intensity and volume. So you might have heard of RPE, which means rate of perceived exertion, okay? So how hard are you working out, okay? That is key to building muscle. Now we wanna make sure. Now, here's where people make a mistake is they do too much intensity, and it causes them to take 1 to 2 to 3 days off in between. We don't want to destroy our muscles so bad that it takes us a week to recover, okay? We don't want that. So you want to make sure that when you're lifting, the intensity is high enough to where you can come back in 24 to 48 hours and repeat that, okay? Because that's going to be the key to the full body workout. So start off with an intensity that doesn't require you to take a week off because you're so sore that you can't repeat it, the workout, in after a day or 2 days, okay? Tip number 4, progressive overload. This means progressively increasing the load and the volume of your workout over time, all right? Now you can do that in many ways. That can be shortening your rest period, that can be adding weight, that can be longer time under tension, that can be more sets. So there's several ways to do that, but you want to get with a trainer and get with somebody that can make sure that you're progressing in the right manner. So progressive overload means that you're not doing the same intensity every workout because you have to challenge yourself and your body will adapt. So that means you have to increase what you're doing in order to continue to make adaptations. Tip number 5, compound exercises. This refers to the type of exercises that you want to incorporate in your workout. We want to stay away from isolated exercises like just a bicep curl working one muscle, okay? Calf raises working one muscle. We want to make sure that we incorporate as many muscles as possible in our movements and our lifts so that we can elicit that much more activity within our muscles, which will then make them grow stronger and recruit more muscle fibers, so therefore you can build more muscle. So we're talking about deadlifts, we're talking about squats. Those use more than one muscle, and therefore they're going to enable you to build more muscles. So make sure that you're using compound exercises during your total body workouts. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to this channel. It's been a pleasure. I look forward to seeing y'all next time. Y'all have a good one.